Hi, Michelle here. So, you want to build and publish a tool on Apify Store. Most likely, you're looking to create an automation tool that pave the way to passive income. A little recap. On the Apify platform, the tools you build are called actors, cloud-based scripts that can run anything from data extraction to full workflow automation. Once you publish your actor to Apify Store, other users can run it and you earn money each time they do. But before you write a single line of code, you need to know two things: what to build, and more importantly, if anyone actually wants it. Today, we'll look at how to find inspiring ideas and then run them through a detailed validation checklist. First off, what makes a good actor idea? Actors are generally best for back-end automation jobs. Things users set up, integrate into their workflows, and just let run in the background. The classics are, of course, web scrapers and crawlers. Think specialized industry data or e-commerce sites, but don't just limit yourself to scraping. You can turn any existing open source project into an actor. But if you're not the maintainer, make sure the license allows it. Permissive open source licenses like MIT, BSD, and Apache 2.0 allow you to build and publish a tool from their code. You can also build SaaS API wrappers to make existing services easier to use on the Apify platform. Or take a look at the latest developments: AI agents and model context protocol servers. MCP servers allow AI agents to interact with external tools, and turning these into actors makes them instantly remotely accessible. Okay, but where do you find these ideas? The easiest place to start is the Apify Actor Ideas page. This is a list of tools that have the potential to be great actors, handpicked by Apify or requested by the community. If you see an idea marked Open to Develop, you can go ahead and build it. Beyond that, look at your own daily workflows. Are you manually doing repetitive tasks? That's an actor right there. All right, you've got an idea. Don't build it yet. You need to validate that people actually need it before investing your time. Let's run it through our validation checklist. Are people actually searching for your solution? You can use free tools like Google Keyword Planner or the What's My SERP Chrome extension to find out. Even a simple Google autocomplete works well. If you type scrape Amazon and Google suggests product reviews, that confirms people want to scrape reviews specifically. And high search volume means demand. Also, check Google Trends. Is interest rising? Great. If it's dropped 90% over the last year, that market might have moved on. Next, go where the users are. You need to check the big three: Reddit, Stack Overflow, and Hacker News. Also, don't forget social media networks like LinkedIn and X. People often vent about their professional tooling problems there. You're looking for pain points. Comments where people say, I wish there was a tool to do X. A pro tip here is to use the site parameter in Google to search these specific forums. For example, try searching sitereddit.com, extracting data from Amazon, to find exactly what people are struggling with. On Stack Overflow, look for technical questions about doing the task manually. If many people are asking how to do something without a good tool, that's your opportunity. For Hacker News, search to see if similar tools launched recently and what the reaction was. While you're scanning these threads, look for spending indicators. Keep an eye out for comments where users say, I'm currently paying $50 a month for this tool, but it's too slow. If they are already paying for an inferior product, they are proven buyers just waiting for your better version. Another great way to validate is by checking GitHub. High star counts on similar open source projects signal strong market demand. But dig deeper. Look at the Issues tab. Open issues with many upvotes reveal unresolved pain points your actor could solve. Also, a high number of forks means developers are actively trying to extend that technology, which is evidence of real usage. Finally, check Apify Store itself to see what you're up against. You want a healthy level of competition. If there are 10 to 30 existing actors for your idea, that's actually good. It means the market is validated, but there's room for differentiation. If there are 50 plus actors, that market is saturated, and you'll need a huge unique advantage to compete. On the other hand, 1 to 5 actors might mean a blue ocean opportunity. or it might even mean unproven demand. So validate those carefully. And that's it. If your idea passes this checklist, you're on the right track to a successful actor. If you want to learn more, check Apify Academy, where you'll dive deeper into how to choose and validate ideas. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more actor building content. So long, and thanks for all the likes.